Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. I didn't think I was going to get into anything else, but this one just showed up. Special delivery from my friends over at Two Rivers Coffee. Check them out on Amazon. Drop you guys down. I think my mailman was a little jealous of this one. We got this. What do we got? And here we go. Chocolate cherry flavored coffee. Cellas. I was like the candy back in the day. This is a 40 count, a big one. And I'll do a brew in a second. I'm gonna get my K-cup machine ready. You guys could look at the amazingness of this coffee. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime. Get it fast shipped. And we made it. Hopefully everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. There we go. Get these open. Bam. This is what it looks like. They got other flavors also. Chocolate mint, I do believe, was one of them that I seen. I can remember. Plus others on Amazon. There it is. Nice little size K-cup. Cellas coffee. I'm going to brew this one. Pause you guys in 1 second. Like I said, check them out. Links are going to be down below. Get some amazing coffee delivered. Boom. And then give me 1 second. Alright, here we go. We got the K-cup. Put it in there. Got the Cellas. Boom. Got a Dick Foles coffee cup. There we go. Turn it on. Watch it brew. Any minute. Any minute. There it goes. You hear it starting up. Come on. There we go. Aha. We have liftoff. Now this is a cherry chocolate. Wow, you can smell that for sure. Smells really good. Here it is. Oh yeah, it's filling. There she is. This side might be better. Oh yeah, the final stage. Yeah, you can definitely smell the cherry. Not too much chocolate, but the cherry you can smell. There we go. Let me get a quick spoon. Give it a quick stir. Should be good. Right down there. Look at that. Stir it up a little. Oh yeah. Here we go. Take a sip. Oh, you can definitely taste the chocolate cherry. This is really good stuff. Here you go. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Two Rivers Coffee, Cellas, chocolate cherry flavored, and others. Click the link down below. Be safe and see ya.